I'm going to show you how to do this problem, solve this one using matrices on a calculator. This first video will be using a TI-84 with a new OS and using that fancy new matrix thing, right? So we've got a matrix A and a matrix B. We want to invert A, multiply by B to get the matrix QP, right? So I'm going to go alpha F3. This is my favorite way. And this matrix A is, of course, a 2 by 2, right? So go over to 2, enter, down to 2 rows. So 2 rows, 2 columns, enter. Then go over OK with the arrow key, hit enter, and there's our 2 by 2. So the opposite of cos 24, hit the right arrow, cos 62, end the parentheses, right arrow, oh that's cool, sine 24, end parentheses, right arrow, sine 62. Oh, it's bugging me that there's no parenthesis there. All right, and then put the parenthesis there. And then hit the right arrow until we're outside of the matrix, right? And then we're going to invert it. So press this x to the -1 button. And now we need another matrix. So go alpha F3. And here we still need 2 rows, but we only need 1 column because matrix B has only got 1 column. Oh, there we go. All right. Sorry. Okay. And then 0 is the first element, and then the bottom element is 166. There we go. And I like this because I can sort of see what it is. Okay. And then when I hit enter, it'll do this calculation. And there it is, right? 78.48. And if all you want to do is write those answers down, you're great. Remember that the top one is the Q is the top one, and P is the bottom one. Okay. Totally tune out, but I'm going to show you, of course, I want to actually access that. So let's save this thing. Let's store this in a matrix. So I went storage, second matrix. So storage is that button right there. Second matrix, and A seems like a fine one to store it in. Boom, there it is, right? Now let's burp out A. There's A. That's the kind, we've stored it in A. Look at that, that's fun, right? Now watch this. Let's grab A. Let's go A11. What is the element of A that is in the first row in the first column? Well, that's 78, right? You can multiply that by 2, or whatever you want to do with it, right? And then let's get this the other element there. So let's see, row. Let's say row and column. So it'd be the second row, first column, right? There is only 1 column to A. There it is. So you can get these numbers out and you can mess with them. Anyway, there you go.